Welcome to Journey's End, 7-bedroom, 5-bath here on the island of Vieques, Puerto Rico. We're looking due north. If you were to hop in the water, which is about a mile away, and swim directly north, you'd probably end up on Cape Cod or Nantucket. Today we're not going to go swimming. Today we're going to look at this property, and from what we can see here, this is the driveway leading up to the property. Nice palm trees, fruit trees, there's some banana trees, very clean landscaping. And as we arrive here, right here in front of the house is the pool, and here's the front of the house, the same balcony deck area that faces north. So as you can see, you can sit here, look to the north. You'll see some ocean views from upstairs, have nice light, all while you're sitting in the cool shade. So the deck has some nice lounge chairs, great open space. This is kind of like a nice living space, living room. There's no cushion on the chairs right now. The owners are snowbirds who are not here right now. Property does get rented out every so often, and often it's customary to keep the cushions away until the property is spiffy clean for guests to arrive. So there is a dining area. There are ceiling fans here. Nice little lounge area. I'm guessing maybe it's like a domino card area. Another dining area, a grill, and a wet bar. So everything that one needs to have a big family, a big gathering, special event, all right here on this open air living area. And as you can see, that's looking back over the pool and heading north. And you can just see how really facing north, the sun just really lights up everything. You get that reflective color, really nice and vibrant. So from here, just to give you an example, there is an entrance up there. There's an entrance on the right side, entrance on the left side. That's a little vestibule area here on the first floor. We'll go up this side. There's stairs here. This is actually the end of the driveway. So it is possible to drive all the way up here, park the car, and then come straight in. So voila, welcome to Journey's End. So double pane doors here coming right in. That's looking out over the pool. That's looking at the other entrance you can take from the pool. This is the main entrance area. There's a big stairwell with staircase right in the middle here. Before we go upstairs, let's show you a bunch of the rooms down here. So as I said, 7-bedroom, 5-bath. And there are a lot of these rooms that actually could be bedrooms, could be offices, a lot of nooks and crannies, a lot of spaces that can be, that are kind of multi-purpose, multi-use. So this room is set up more as a little media room with the louvered windows, louvered window blinds, a fan. What's unique about this room is there is a door here, some steps leading up to a door, and that actually leads to another room. So this room could be set up as perhaps an office or somehow connected to the other room. This is unique. Not any of the other rooms are set up this way. So this has the double connection. One way out into the hallway and one way down to the other room. This room does have a mini split. There's your air conditioner. What the owners have been doing over the years, they had the AC units that were plugged into the wall, and as they would break, they would just pop it out and put a new one in. Vieques has now has folks that service and install mini splits. So as many of those old units are dying, folks are replacing with the mini splits now that we have someone who can service them. Right off the hallway here is the full bath, sink, toilet, and tiled shower. So that's one bathroom on this floor. Down here's another bedroom. Again, great size. I'm guessing, 15 by 15. It's a good sized room. This window actually pops out onto the entrance to the main lobby area there. So you could always pop this out, put a door there if you wanted. Again, there's one of the old air conditioner units. At some point when that passes on to a different world, we'll have it replaced with a mini split. And then also on this floor, because it has so many bedrooms and it really is designed for large families and large events, this is the laundry room, utility room, So we got a little sink there, double washer dryers. There's the hot water tank. Storage area here, freezers. A lot of folks in Vieques that are here full time have an additional freezer. Folks like to go shopping at Costco or wherever on the mainland, load up for a month or two. And having the extra freezer is handy. This is the, let me back up a little bit here. This is the owner's kind of safe room. This is usually where personal items get saved, get locked away when the property is being rented or when the owners aren't here. It's just a nice way of locking up personal items when other folks might be using the property. So that's the first floor. First floor has 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath and laundry room. And then as we go up the stairs in the middle here, a lot of bright light. And I'll tell you why. It's not because the lights are on. It's because they've installed skylights right here. So a lot of great light in this entranceway with high ceilings. Nice decorative lamps, so at night you do get a very fancy feel. Let's take a quick walk around here. First room on the left is a bedroom. It's gotta be a king-size bed. I think most of these are king-size beds. Across the hall, this room is one of the smaller rooms. This is actually set up as another little entertainment space, TV room. Again, this could be an office, could be turned to a bedroom, another option. A lot of options with this house. Going up the back stairs here. On the right is a full bath. Nice and deep. Big sink, toilet, shower, decent high ceilings, the ceiling fan. All nice tile, looking back the other way. And then off here we have 2 bedrooms. They're kind of twins of each other. They mirror each other. Big bed, windows on 2 sides. You can see the mini split up there. This room also has space for a closet. It's all designated. Nice big room. Ceiling height here, I'm guessing it is slanted, so I'm gonna guess it goes from about 12 feet up to about 15 feet. And then across the hall, to me, this is the twin of that room, though it is a little bit smaller. Again, double windows, mini split, good sized bed. And there's a closet. So we saw 1 bathroom on this floor already. Nice little surprise in the back here is something that everybody in the tropics loves, and that is everyone loves to take an outdoor shower. So here we are outdoors, back of the house, and voila, an outdoor shower. So great at nighttime or returning from the beach. It's just something relaxing about an outdoor shower. You have a sink here, toilet over there. I'll let you make your comments about whether people like to go bathroom outside or not. To each their own. So back inside, so we've basically seen the top half, or we've seen half of the upper floor. These are the stairs we came up. This is a master bedroom, which I'll show you in a second. Here we have the kitchen. Very functional. There's a very large refrigerator, that would be a refrigerator and freezer. There's the dishwasher, nice wide sink, stone countertops, microwave, big windows that's facing west. And there's your gas stove and oven, dine-in countertop here. So you can imagine this would be a great entertaining space. Everybody, when folks are entertaining, everybody kind of congregates in the kitchen. This is ideal. It's room for people to sit and laugh and joke around and talk. Meanwhile, whoever has the duty of making dinner has space with nobody interrupting them back there. So from the kitchen leads to the dining room. So we're looking back north again. Large dining table here, seating 8. Little chandelier over the dining table. There's outside, we'll go there in a second, but first let me show you the nice little sitting area, living room. There it is, again, high ceilings, a couple fans. and this all looks back out towards the entranceway. So straight back is the stairs and the bedrooms. Back to the right is the kitchen, dining room. This is a great entertaining space. And then from here we go outside. Finally, here is where we're seeing the ocean. Again, this is facing north. There's the pool down below. There's the driveway where we came in. From here, it's a bit of a hazy day, but I can see islands off Culebra, and I can see mainland Puerto Rico from here. So as you can imagine, that's facing north. You get the great reflective light. And right here, one can sit in the shade and just enjoy the views. So it is very relaxing. And as you can tell, it's a quiet neighborhood. We're in the Martineau section. Off over that way is the airport and the long pier. Off over that way is Isabel Segunda. So again, right off of here, off the balcony is the master bedroom. The owners are not here right now, so they've taken down, there's the flagpole that's normally up, very patriotic. In case you don't recognize that, one of those is the American flag and one of those is the Puerto Rican flag. I won't tell you which is which. And again, we've got some ceiling fans, we've got mini split. This is set up here, so there is a nice little desk area, so you can work here. It's looking back, that's facing north and east. And what's unique about this bedroom is that it does have its own ensuite bathroom. Got some double sinks, toilet, bathtub, everybody loves bathtubs. And then there's a walk-in closet. So a true master bedroom, has everything that one wants. That's the door that goes back outside into the entry space by the kitchen. Just happened to bring you in off the balcony instead since we were out there. So the balcony here actually is kind of a wraparound. It doesn't wrap around the whole house. It goes back and around the corner. Remember, there's a bathroom in the back, a shower in the back, so you can't go all the way around. It does get blocked by that. You can see some of the compressors for the mini splits. Here on the floor are the hurricane shutters. Hopefully they stay that way for the next couple of months. We don't need them at all. And then I'll show you around the back of the other side. Plenty of seating here. Geez, 1, 2, 3, 4, geez, room for about a dozen people to be sitting out here enjoying themselves. And then around the side, barbecue with more storm shutters. And then this is looking south. The back of the property sits up against some government land. So it's all undeveloped. And there's a great breeze right now coming from the north. Look at this. No need for air conditioning on days like this. Got a little cloud cover, great breeze, nice and cool coming out of the north. Very serene day. No wonder people like living down here. All right, so the journey's end here on the island of Vieques, Puerto Rico. For more information, go to our website, www.paraisorealtypr.com. This is listed under our residential properties. It's called Journey's End. And if you have any questions, feel free to call or email us. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see some others, please like, subscribe, send it to anyone else that you think might enjoy it. And that's it from Journey's End. Thanks for watching.